Okay, so I'm in my front yard right now, and it's not even in the garden in the front yard. It's under my carport. And this bucket has been sitting here for at least 6 months, probably 8 months, a long time. And what it has in the bottom of it are a bunch of Jerusalem artichokes or sunchokes. They were ready to be eaten or given away or whatever. Well, I never ate them. I just put them in this bucket and put a bunch of leaves over the top to keep them moist or like fresh, you know, whatever, cool, so they would last longer. And I just came out here to take out the garbage, and I was like, oh my gosh, it's growing. And I have no idea how it's growing, because this literally has been sitting in this bucket under the carport for so long. It's never got rained on, it's never gotten watered. It just has leaves on it. So I'm assuming the moisture from the air and the leaves like breaking down is how it's growing. No idea. Let's see if you can see with the plant. It looks like there's a lot down here. Let's see if we can pull it out. Oh yeah, I put a little bit of dirt on top too, I forgot. So yeah, they're all just growing. I have no idea how. Let's see if I can pull it out. Okay, so here it is pulled out of the bucket. Here's a Jerusalem artichoke, and you can see it's growing. The dirt that's in there is not moist at all. It's dry, and somehow these are growing. I really didn't want to plant these in the garden because I've heard they're kind of invasive, and once you grow them, you can pretty much never get rid of them. But, I mean, I can see why. They are obviously tenacious. But I think I'm going to put them in a planter, or like a bucket or a pot, and try growing these now, because obviously they're drought tolerant and they taste pretty good, so why not?